you can read it again, okay, from the starting. So
Okay,
it
sir.
will be beneficial for us and for all the class. So
Okay, sir.
we will be. So you just remember the name of this platform is a Spider, okay,
Yes, sir.
and the language is Python. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Darshil, go on reading. Go on reading.
Okay, sir. Project design a report card of exam of students using Python language. Yeah, okay. So next, name is equals to input and t. What is this, sir?
Okay. Wait. I will be explaining you. You read the
Yeah.
line. I will be explaining you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the meaning of this line and the before line is that I'm generating a report card of a student using a Python language. This is the first line I understood from this program. And before that, it was created on Wednesday, May 20. So this is a Wednesday, date and time when this program was created. In the
Yeah.
morning only, I created this program, and we will be completing this program further on. Okay, it was created on the platform. My platform is MOTIY_000. So this is the name of my computer system, and Spider is my platform, and language is Python. Okay, now designing a report card of exam. So we are aware. You have seen the report card how it is seen in the school. You have seen how it is looking. Basically, I'm not having the icons available here, mono available here. I can inherit those school mono and background of that particular thing here also. But I'm not using Tinker. A Tinker is a platform which is used to. I will be writing the Tinker name here. Okay, so it is easy for you to understand Tinker. So this is a platform. There's another platform available to write a, a a program which will be screen driven. Okay, screen driven means now the output will be shown on your same screen. When I will be running this program, the output will be shown on the screen, same screen. But when I will be running this program, when I will be running this program of Tinker, okay, I will be covering this Tinker part in next class. So it will be a very attractive thing for you to understand that activity in Tinker also. Right now, I'm implementing this program on Spider. So it will be very useful to understand how the Tinker is working and how Spider is working. So you will be having a glimpse that how these Python programming are being done and how this coding is being done on these platforms. Okay, now starting with the program and understanding of this program. The first line is name equal to input name. Okay, now the user is asking the computer, please computer, type the name of the user. Okay, let's suppose I am the user, my name is Dheeraj. So I'm asking the computer, please write my name. Okay, so in that part, what I will do is that this name, the name written inside the quotes, okay, the name written inside the quotes means is the name of the user. Okay,
User.
what the user is there, and the slash t means I'm giving a tab. Have you seen a tab button on your PC? Tab. So tab means six spaces. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six spaces after the name. So after writing the name, you will be having a six spaces. You can write the father name after that. Now, Darshal, read other three lines.
Yes, sir. Okay. Father name is equals to input quotes father's name colon slash n quotes close.
Okay, okay.
Class
So
class is
slash, wait. Slash n means line change. What do you mean by slash n? Line change. So after printing name, father name, the line will get changed and I will be writing in the second line. Have you seen the report card? Name is
yes.
written, father name is written. After that, class is written, mother name is written, DOB is written, and the section is written. So it is forming a table. Okay, it is
Yes.
forming a table. So you can read these four lines.
Yes, sir. Okay. Class equals to input bracket equals to close quotes class column and slash t quotes close bracket close. So what do you mean by
Okay.
slash t?
Slash T tab.
Oh,
So tab means so wait a second. You don't present your screen because I'm presenting my screen, so it will be very problematic for other students to understand this part. Okay, you can practice this part in your PC after few seconds. Okay, few after completing this class. But in between the class, please don't present the screen, else I will be removing you directly from the class or the activity class. Okay, so please follow the rules and please follow the instructions. Okay, so instead of writing chat on the chat window, you please don't write these things on your chat window. Okay, because I'm recording your things and your name will be directly going to other classes and the class teachers and the principals. Okay, so it will be shared with the teachers and all other people. So please don't write all these things in your chat window, and please don't present the screen on your screen window. When I am presenting the thing, please be coordinative with me, because if you are leaving the meeting, it's okay. You have already written your name, you are already recorded in the screen. Okay, we can track you whatever activities you are doing in the class. Okay, and these activities will not fetch you anything. So don't be mature student. Don't be a kind of thing that you are doing these things. Now
So,
what
what
I
is
will be
the
doing is,
output of this activity?
okay, can you repeat it again?
Sir, what is the output of this activity?
The output of this activity is that we will be creating a report card. Report card will be generated.
Now
How?
only.
Now only, right now only, I will be generating a report card. It will be not a report card which you are seeing in the school, because in the school, what you are doing is that you are having the mono of the school, background of the school. But right now I'm just coding the part, how particular things are seen in your report card. A blueprint, have you do you know the what is blueprint? Okay, whatever the things you are writing, it is a
Yes, sir.
okay, so that blueprint will be shown to you in front of you. Okay, so what you can do is that till now I have written report card of name, student of class, following marks are, following marks are, so these are your following marks. So I will be taking the input from the user. So the input from the user is your, so which all subjects you will be having? English. Okay, I will be
Math,
having the English as well.
math,
Maths. Okay,
science.
yeah,
English, math, science.
yeah, it will take a time to write. Okay, I have to give a time to write the things. So I'll be writing in this way. Uh, so I can use slash in here to change the line. Similarly, I can do copy this. I can paste. I can paste this. I can paste this also. I can change the name directly. So second is your max subject. Okay.
Science
Then
assistant.
you are having science subject. Okay.
Then Hindi.
Then your social subject.
Yes, sir, sure, sure, sir.
Okay.
Hindi.
Okay. Hindi also. Copy, paste, and one will be your IT subject. So this is your Hindi subject. Okay, this is your Sanskrit subject. This is your Sanskrit subject. This is your IT subject. So I'm done with the subject's name. Okay, now what I can do is that I can copy this also and give the name here. Copy, and I can paste it here. I can leave the space bar here. I can leave here. Okay, these are the subjects, name of the subjects overall. So I will be having a particular screen, name of this, details of the student, this marks of the student. Then we will be moving to your another screen which will be dealing with total marks, percentage, and overall grade. So total marks, what will be the formula for the total marks? Equal to English, maths plus your science. So this particular statement will be not visible to you on your report card. Basically, it will be calculated and it will give you the output simply. Okay. Then Sanskrit, then
Then
IT.
IT.
Okay. So how many subjects are these?
7.
7 subjects. 7 subjects. So
7.
total 7. So the total marks, what will be the total marks here? These are the scored marks, sorry. Okay. These are your scored marks. So total marks will be your 700. So I can ask the user, or I can ask the user total marks directly, or instead I can give directly 700 here. If you don't want to give here directly, what you can do, you can ask the user what are the total marks for my examination. So I am entering enter total marks of examination. Okay. Or you can write all subjects, total marks of all subjects, or total marks of examination, total marks of all subjects. You
Yes.
can write this also. Now change the line after this. And this will be the scored marks. How many marks you have scored? Let's suppose you have scored 560. So this is the total scored marks. Okay. So I will be what I will be doing. I will be inserting a block here. So it will show you the total marks and the marks scored. So what I can do is that this will change the line, and I can write a tab here. Or what I can do, I can give the tab here also. After the total marks of the student tab and the scored marks. Okay, and this will lead to your scored marks. So I can give here as your I can print here print scored marks. Okay, so scored marks are, so what I can do here comma. So what is the variable available here? This is the variable. So these are the variables. Okay. So in this class, I will be not going into the detail of these things. I am just concerned about how a particular activity can be done in the through the programming language. Okay, so how interactive it can be, the programming language can be. Okay, so scored marks are your scored marks, and your these are your. So here will be a line change. Okay, this is a tab change. So this is a total marks available with you, and these are the score marks, and then I will be moving to your overall grade and percentage. Overall grade and percentage. So percentage. So I'm having percentage. So what I will be doing is that I will be using float here. Your total percentage is your percentage is. So I'll be writing here tab P. Okay. So your percentage, this will be printed And how to calculate the percentage? I'm having the total marks. I'm having the scored marks. I know into 100. So what do you mean by here? So I'm writing here scored marks. Scored marks. Okay. Divided by total marks. Then what I will do is that I will enclose this inside the bracket so that you know the word mass rule. Okay, the brackets are solved before doing anything, any calculation. So into 100 after this.
Yes.
So I will be closing this bracket. So scored marks divided by total marks into 100. Okay, so to scored marks, let's suppose I'm having 560 divided by 700 into 100. Okay, so it will give me the percentage of that particular student. So what I can do is that moving to this, I can copy this part or I can cut this part and I can paste it here before printing something home, and it will give the percentage. Okay, it will give the percentage. Okay, now if I keep a comma and I write this here as percentage, your percentage is, so this is my variable. It will fetch the percentage from here. It will fetch the percentage from here. Okay, it will fetch the percentage from here. Okay. Then after giving comma, what I can do, I can write here percentage sign, symbol, percentage symbol. Okay. It will show that I scored these much percentage in my exam. So instead of giving tab T, I can give tab T here. Or I can directly give /10 here. So it will change the line. Now I've done with the person.
Slash in
What?
slash.
Slash and line change, line change. So each and everything should not come on the single line. Have you seen the report card? All the things are on the same line or not, or on the different line?
Different line.
Different line. No? That's why I'm giving the, or it can be on the same line but with some space. So that's why I'm giving tab T, /T. So /T means some space should be there. Okay, /n means it should have a multiple line. It should change the line. Now after calculating percentage, I can move to overall grade. So this is a bit tricky part. I will be taking something from another program and I will be pasting directly here because it will take a longer time to execute this program. I will be writing, it will take some time. So I've already created many programs. You can see these many programs are available with me. Are you seeing? Are you able to see these programs? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are many programs. I will be taking some part from another
Yes,
program
sir.
and I will be directly pasting here so that we can finish this program as soon as possible. Okay. We are less with the time. So to print the overall grade, what I will be writing here, print here, here, overall grade of the student is overall grade of the student is okay. So I will be giving /n. So line change should be there. So in next line it should be shown, or you can do /t. So it can show on the same line after some space. So what I can do is that overall grade can be judged by the percentage. So I'll be replacing this average part copy. I'll be replacing this variable with percentage, 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 percentage. So it will show me how much percentage I have scored. Okay. So if if I have scored greater than 90%, I will be in grade A. If I have scored between 80 to 90, I will be in grade B. If I have scored between 70 and 80, it will be C. If I have scored between 60 and 70, it will be D. If I have scored between, if I have not scored below 70 or below 60, it will be F. So simple. You can make other logics. So So this is the overall grade. After this, I will be finishing the program. I can save this program, and after saving this program, we will be directly moving to the execution part of this program. So this is the activity part, report card generation. So I'll be giving the name to this activity, report card generation. Activity. So I can give underscore report card generation Python. Okay. So dot py. Py is the extension of the programming language where you will be saving the programs in py format. Are you able to see these many Python programs? These are many Python programs available. So I have saved these programs in this way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now my program has been saved. I can just move on this and I can close this thing, copy, and I can close this part. End part, I can write end of the screen, end of this book, end of card. Save this again. Now I will be executing this program. Now, are you able to see this console window here? This is your console window. I have zoomed it. I will be expanding it, the console window. Before moving to the execution of this program, this is the run. Are you able to see this run window and green button? I will be pressing this run. I will be pressing F5 button, or I will be pressing
Yes, sir.
this tab. Once I will be pressing this control, this will take some time to get executed. Are you able to see this screen? So it is getting executed on this screen.
Yes, sir.
I'll be expanding it a lot. So I can take out this screen out from this window, and I can zoom this window part. I can expand this window. Now this window is visible, I think, so to each and everyone. Okay. Control plus. So I am zooming the screen. Now this is more visible. So my name is Dheeraj. Okay, my father's name is okay, and my class is 12th. Okay. My mother's name is okay. My DOB is this. Okay. A report card generation of my particular thing. Report card of Dheeraj. Are you able to see Dheeraj here? Dheeraj, student of 12th, following marks. English, I am having 89 marks. Maths, I am scoring 96 marks. Science, I am scoring 87 marks. Social, I am scoring 88 marks. Hindi, I am scoring 81 marks. Sanskrit, I am scoring 91 marks. IT, I am scoring 100 out of 100. Okay, the total marks of all subjects, and the total marks of all subjects. It is around 700, which we are concerned about. Okay, now scored marks are your 89, 96, 87, 88. So this is showing in this way. Instead of showing it this in this way, because it is taking the string format. Why I have done this in this way? Because you are able to see the error here. Are you able to see the error here? So
Yes.
it is saying
Yes, sir.
it is saying that please write the
Yes, sir.
string and int part. So this program which I am having, this is my program. if you see here English, marks of English, it is not integer. It is not integer type. So I have to give here integer, integer and integer. Again, in next line, I have to give here integer and integer. Again, I have to give here integer. I have to give integer. I have to give integer. Closing, closing part. So now it is an integer format. Okay, the scored marks are in integer form, and it will print the integer also. Now see here also I will be getting the error because this is integer part. So this should not be integer. Now this can be integer because it is not in point format. This is also not in point format. You can give the float also here. Okay, it depends. If you are having a decimal part, you can give float. If you are not having the decimal part, you can give integer here. Such as if you are scoring 75.75 or 75 and half, you are scoring. So in that case, you have to give the float here. Else you can give integer. After moving to this part, I have to give here as a part float. Okay, I have to give here float. So it will convert to float. Okay, it will convert to float part. I'll be saving this. I will be running this again. Now you are able to see this screen again.
Yes.
I'll be giving my name here again. Process. English I'm scoring 89, Maths I'm 98, Science I'm 87, Social I'm scoring 78, Hindi I'm scoring 88, Sanskrit I'm scoring 81, IT I'm scoring 100. Okay, the total marks are 700. Okay, raw input, it is not taking the raw input here. Okay, see, 621 is the score marks. I have scored 621. Okay, now what is the error again? I'm getting why I'm showing you errors. Why I'm showing you the errors? Because when you will be executing the programs, now big programs, you will be getting errors. So this is an activity class. I have to show you how the errors can be dealt with. You have to deal with the errors. How you will be dealing with the errors. Okay. So I've scored 621 out of 700. Now what the error is saying? Percentage equal to, you read this, percentage equal to float input. Your percentage is percentage. Raw input takes from 1 to 2 optional positional argument, but 4 were given. Okay, 4 were given, 4 optionals were given. Takes from 1 to 2 optional arguments, but 4 were given. Now see, match this output with your this part. What you can do is that you can remove this part. You can just give float here. Your percentage is percentage. Okay, so check variable is correct or not. Percentage, percentage. So it is a two variable percent. Okay, I can copy here this one here,
The time is up.
variable paste. this part. I can execute it again. English has 418, 98, 88, 87, 68,
Hmm?
89, and again I missed that part, IT part. I have to score it again. F5 to write the name here. I can write the full name here. Okay, I can give the name here. Okay, English is having 9, 78, 57, 67, 89, 90. So total marks are 700, and you are having the argument mismatch here. So in this way, what you can do is that you can generate the following percentages, and it is showing somewhat error.
The time is up.
Yes, yes, just give me 2 seconds. I'll be wrapping up this program. Okay. I have to just complete this thing. So So basically, we are doing this activity to generate a report card, which I have already done it. This last point is remaining, which we will be having the so now the error is overall grade of the student is this. Now the unsupported operand type for int and float. Okay, LF percentage greater than 80 and percentage greater than less than. So you have to mean that this is your integer and float. So once you will be generating that part, you will be getting integer and float part. Okay. So I'll be covering. I will be proceeding this program, the last step of this program, and one application, the Python application on the app part or the Tinker part. I will be taking this program on the Tinker part, and you will be able to see how that particular program is shown on the Tinker part. Okay. Now, okay, fine. Let me finally take the things. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you for being here, for being in this class. Thank you. I am closing this session down. Next class we will be coming up, and we will be dealing in the more fundamental way and more other application. One more activity. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Welcome.